Hi everyone, Rainey here, and today I'm going to work on my Keelson, on scarfing it, because it needs to be 32 feet long to go right from the bow of the boat all the way to the back, and this is actually going to extend through the transom into the swim platform. So let me show you how to get a little over 32 foot Keelson. Okay, so here I am at the bottom of my ship. No, I'm not underwater. This is just the top upside down. Now, as you can see, here's the keel going all the way to the back and extending. And if I could flip around, this is kind of a tightrope here, going all the way to the bow up front there. Now, yeah, you're going to say the wood is warped. That's because I've been letting it sit here for about a week so it could take the shape when I bend it down, so it's not going to be too hard to bend it and split it. So the problem arises right over here. The wood's not that long. They're only 12-foot pieces, so what I need to do is scarf it right here in the middle. And the way I'm going to do that is I'm going to take a block, a 6-inch 2x6, just like this here, and I already have one pre-drilled and pre-screwed, and it's going to go basically on top of those, just like that there, and it's going to be glued. I'm going to put the epoxy glue in the middle and in between and screw it all together. Now, how do we screw it together? Well, you can see my frames are about, well, they're 24 inches apart, so from inside to inside it's about 22 inches. So what I did was I made this one, I cut it just so it would fit, I hope. Just, yeah, we go, it just fits inside. Oh, I wanted to make it a perfect fit, and it's going to go right underneath like this. I'm going to line it all up, and so it's right in the middle, and glue it and screw it, and it should be perfectly solid like one piece of wood. So I'm doing that here. The problem is it didn't make it all the way to the end of the boat, so you can see a little bit further down there I had to cut this piece of wood right here. I cut it short so it would meet right in the middle once again, like this one does, and I'm going to do the same thing with the scarf over there. So right now I'm going to go back inside, mix up some epoxy, and get to gluing these scarves. And when they're completely finished, I'll come over again and show you the end results. And there you have it. Not only did I put the Keelson back up on the top, but today I also got to put up my chines and my shear clamps along the side. Now it's a lot of measuring and shaving and cutting, and I'm going to go up to the back and show you how the Keelson came out. Been a long day. The sun is setting, and I'm hoping you can see the Keelson. And starting here with the transom, count frame 1, 2, and between 2 and 3 you can see that block where I did the scarf, and then it goes frame 4, 5, 6, I believe between 7 and 8 is the other block. And not only does that hold the scarf or hold the Keelson together, but I also have it going from frame to frame, the piece that I glued and screwed to it, so that it's going to hold it secure. Now, I haven't connected the Keelson yet because I still have a little bit more shaving and measuring to do, and you can see I have the chine lugs and the Keelson sticking back all the way over here about 2 feet, because I'm going to be putting my frame for the swim platform back here, which I am working on now, and that should be done in a day or two as well. So there you have it. The Keelson is finally done, connected, and on. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye now.